Yo, Donatello, our turtle assault van just arrived!
Wow!
Here it comes!
Awesome! Wow! Yeah!
Let's open this truck up! Oh, cool wheels! Wow, and let's get this stuff out of here.
I can't wait to see inside. Oh, come on. Hey, get this stuff away. I need to see how it looks like. Wow! Oh, it looks so cool.
I'll help you out.
Let's get it out.
Lift it up.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah, come on.
How do we put this together?
Instructions?
Ah.
Oh, get the wheel over here. Oh, another wheel. Oh, come on, let's put this thing together.
Well, that was quick. Hey, what's in here?
Yeah, check it out.
Oh, let me open this door. Wow, it's a yellow assault luge. Super awesome. I want to check it out.
No,
Hey,
I should try it
let
first.
me in. I want to try it first.
It's my
Okay,
first.
let's get it out of here.
I'm gonna try this car now. Totally sweet.
Cowabunga! Well, I'm gonna fire the turtle torpedo.
Let's get inside the control cabin.
I'm in first.
I'm gonna go in too.
Let's take a drive! Time to find somewhere to try out our winch. Let's go, Raph!